Hello and welcome to our video on affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing to understand how it works, how you can get started, and how you can succeed as an affiliate. So, first things first. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which an affiliate earns a commission for promoting a company's products or services. The affiliate is typically a person or business with an online presence, such as a website or social media account. Here's how it works in more detail. A company creates an affiliate program and recruits affiliates to join. The company provides affiliates with unique links or banners to promote their products or services on their website or social media. When a customer clicks on one of these links and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. This commission is typically a percentage of the sale price, and can range from a few percent to over 50% depending on the product and the company. So, why is affiliate marketing such a popular way to earn money online? There are a few reasons. It's a simple and straightforward way to monetize your online presence. You don't have to create your own products or services, you just promote someone else's and earn a commission for each sale. It's a flexible way to earn income. As an affiliate, you have the freedom to choose what products or services you want to promote, and you can work at your own pace. It's a low-risk way for companies to generate sales. Companies only pay affiliates when a sale is made, so it's a cost-effective way for them to get their products or services in front of a larger audience. Now that you understand the basics of affiliate marketing, let's talk about how you can get started as an affiliate. The first step is to find a reputable company with a solid affiliate program. There are many companies that offer affiliate programs, so it's important to do your research and find one that aligns with your interests and values. Once you've found a company you'd like to work with, you'll need to sign up for their affiliate program and get your unique links or banners. These links and banners will include a special code that tracks any sales you generate, so the company knows to credit you with a commission. To promote the company's products or services, you'll need to incorporate the links or banners into your online presence. This could mean adding them to your website or social media accounts, or even creating dedicated landing pages or email campaigns. As an affiliate, it's important to remember that you're representing the company and its products or services. It's crucial to be honest and transparent in your promotions, and to only promote products or services that you truly believe in. So, now that you understand the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, you're ready to start your journey as an affiliate. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, you can turn your online presence into a profitable affiliate marketing business. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has provided you with a solid understanding of affiliate marketing and how you can get started. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey.